Setting up a team tournament in Sporty is very similar to an individual or doubles event, but with a few key differences, which we'll take a look at today. So begin as usual from our club admin. We'll head to tournaments, create tournament, give it a name. This will all be familiar if you've run a previous event with us. Okay, so we'll scroll down, ranked. We can add additional admins if we want. We've got to pick our sport. Okay, date selections. We'll do a one-day event, so we'll just pick last day of the month there, make it easy. Registration opens right away. Deadline, let's do the 29th. Dual deadline, 30th. I'm going to play it at our test club. There it is. And SportyHQ for sign up, that's fine. Okay, so we'll hit submit. Okay, so we've got a normal checklist here, and we'll start as usual at the top with creating a draw. We'll create a draw. Let's call this the open draw, and it's going to be yes to a team draw. Scroll down as usual, leave it as mixed. Age restrictions, enable handicap, no. Okay, submit. Okay, so we've got one draw created, and normally from here we just go into player management and decide our draw bracket and everything else, but with teams there is one difference. So first of all, as you can see here, there are no events in the draw. So by an event, we're basically talking a match. So when we create events, we're going to create, I'm going to call it position 1, leave it as mixed. I'm playing squash. We're going to need another one for position 2. And we'll do one more, just so it is technically a team event. Position 3, also playing squash. Okay, great. So now we've actually set up the structure of the team tournament, how we want it to play out. So it's going to be 3 positions on each team, 1, 2, 3, and then that's how we're going to organize the matches. So from here, we're going to go into teams, and we're going to create some teams. So we'll just do 3 teams, make it easy. And now we're going to have to go and add the players that we want to each team, which I've already done. So we'll switch over to a second tab here, and we can see we've got 3 guys in each team. So we've set our positions, we've set our team members. So now if we go back to our draw and we take a look at it, okay. So we'll just leave it as a round robin box for now, so it's not a problem. Got the teams in there, so all looks good, so we'll lock it up. Okay, and then there is one final difference with teams. We're going to go to schedule and results. So here you can see the positions we've set, but we've not got the players in there yet. So to do that, in this blue bar for each team, x1, x2, x3, we're going to see this action button, and then we're going to go to set lineup. You can download a form if you want, if you're going to be giving them out for the teams to fill in the names themselves. Otherwise, we can do it here. Okay, so because we've set our players already and the positions, now we're just telling the system who's going to be play what. Doesn't really matter. We hit save and boom. So there are the matches set up. Now we can set the time for the match. You can also of course use the auto scheduler, and you'd want to do that for all 3. Set the lineups, so you've got all the matches set. That's the key difference. So when you go back to the draw, you'd have all the scheduled matches as normal, but instead of your individual matches, you've got it team versus team. And that's a good introduction to a team setup. It covers the main difference, and from there, everything on the admin menu should look pretty similar.